Hey there, welcome back. And now in this one we are adding textures here and at the back here. So let's jump right in. Select this, create new. So we want to make this material a rubber. So first thing is let's turn this 0.003 and let's go to the specular. So 0.7 and I'll reduce the roughness to 0.3. That's all right. And now let's go down. So here, let's bring in a bump map. Bump, drop it here. And we'll have to plug into this into the normal. But before we do that, let's bring in a wave node, wave texture. So this one, we plug it into the height and hold down Control T and then click on the wave texture. This keeps happening. I don't even understand why it keeps happening, but it keeps happening. So just keep deleting them. I hope it didn't bring any more things that I do not want. All right, we are all right. So we'll put this one here and select. So we'll plug this into the object instead of the UV. So use object and let's plug in the bump into the normal. So let me just move out of this. So we have this texture here, but already it seems it's a little bit too much. So as you can see in front here, as you can see in front here, the edge is just way too sharp. So select this thing. So let's reduce first the distance. Let's say 0.01. That looks good. That looks good. Oops, let me just push the dot on the number pad. Okay, that looks good. And let's also change this, the angle here, the rotation. Let's make this something like 30, 20 something. Okay, let's see. Okay, and another thing we can actually change is the scale of this, so we can make it more. So let me just continue playing with this. I feel I can make it a bit better. That looks much better. Let's see. That looks way better. Okay, so now that we have done that, so let's zoom out. So mainly this is for this rubber material here. That's it. That's all we change. So select everything and then right click and copy. So now we can paste it all around to the other materials, like this one here, new. Delete and paste. Control V on the keyboard. At the back here, same thing. Select these guys, delete and paste. Delete and paste this. Voila. So now we have this. So since we already know the rubber material, how we can change it, so let's select this and say new, and let's put the settings are almost the same as the other one, so 0.003, and the specular, just reduce this to 0.4 instead, and the roughness 0.7. Oops, what did I do? Okay, 0.7. All right, and we can change the color, the base color, to total black, and I think that's it. So we'll get the same material here, copy and then we go around and paste it into the other mesh. So select, delete, paste. Same thing here, new, selector, delete, and paste. Here, new, selector, delete, and then paste. All right, let's go into the camera view and let's make a render. And here's our render. So this is our progress. Catch me tomorrow as I post a new video. Remember to like, subscribe, and let's actually add more materials to this thing. Bye bye. Remember to save.